Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will solve the new questions. That is, find the factors of numbers in Java. How to solve these questions? What is the factors actually? The factors is whatever numbers you have. If you take 10, what is the factor of 10? Means what are the numbers is divided our 10 is fully divided our 10. So as you can see here, our 10 is divided by 1, divided by 2, divided by 5, and divided by 10. So these are the factors of 10. If you take 8, what are the factors of 10? So just we have first of all 1, 2, then 4, then 8. This is the factor of 8. This is the factor of 10. To implement this in the our programs, it's very easy. It's not a difficult. So just follow the instructions what I am saying. So first of all, we need a main method. At the side of main method, first what you want to check. Let's take uh, let's take a scanner for better way. Scanner as is equal to new scanner system dot in. To take the dynamic input for that, we need a scanner. Sys out, take enter your number. Okay. Then you will take your variables int number is equal to s dot next int. After this, let's take our for loop to iterate until your number. So int I should start from the 1. I should less than is equal to num until the num I plus plus. It's not a num, it's a number, and you will get a number. Then the our logic part is very important here. To find the factors of numbers in the Java, you have that percentile operators, which is used to decide your number is fully decibel uh, by the whatever the factors we have now, it will be divisible by or not. For so just take if number percentile I, if it's divisible by our number is divisible fully divisible by I, then we have to get the that numbers, otherwise it will not getting is equal to 0 means it will fully divisible. Sys out sys out I plus space. So we will get the number which is divisible by I. So it will be iterate until the numbers what we have 10. So let me run this program and see what are the output we will get. Run it. See, we will get the data in the dynamic. Just let me take 10. So we will get the factors of 10 is 1, 2, 5, and 10. These are the factors of 10. Let me run it again. Let me take 22. 22. See, 1 is divisible by 22. 2 is divisible by 22. 11 is divisible by 22. 22 is divisible by 22. Let's take one more. 100. Okay. So what are the factors of 100 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, 100. So our program is working fine. So that's all about in this video. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas. If you have any questions, just write in the comment. I will definitely solve that problems.